All right, we're taking a look inside the Manitou 23-foot Encore, and this is just a beautiful boat. The Encore is a higher end boat in their line. Beautiful stitching on the seat, hinge seat covers, tons of storage. This here is your center piece. It goes up right up there when you're in the boat and you want to have more seating. You can just put it right in front of the door. This particular one has a fold-up table right here, dual captain's chairs, which is really nice. A beautiful helm, all your controls right there, a Garmin fish finder / clear view of the bottom, all your digital gauges are right there. Comes with the water sports mirror. Lots of storage in the center hold, that's in the center tank. Probably my favorite part of this boat is the fact that it is the SR package. So it's a convertible boat. You can have your table here in the middle and 2 upright seating, or you can take the table out and have it as a sun lounge. So you can do that on both sides, and that's a pretty cool feature. We put a 200 horsepower Mercury on this. Mercuries are motors of choice for these boats. Works really well. As you can see with all the shading here, the biminis are absolutely massive. If you do any boating, you know the more shade the better when you're out on the water. So this is just a great package. We got it on sale now here at Pro Caliber Vancouver. If you'd like to come down and check it out, please do so. And if you need to go out on the water to see how it performs, we'll gladly take you out. Hope to see you at the store soon.